Come in.
Good morning, Mrs. Jones. Washing my hands. My name is Shamari. I'll be assisting you today with your vital signs. Can you tell me your name and your date of birth?
Jones 12/1/1920.
Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna make sure your bed is still at the lowest. Make sure that bed is locked. And then I'll take that collar and I'll give it back to you once we're done. Well, you doing okay today?
Yeah.
Yes, good. And if you could just lift up your feet for me. All right, perfect. And I'm gonna get you to put your hands on your table. All right, perfect. Thank you so much for this well. Alrighty. And we're gonna start on the 10. All right, perfect. Thank you so much. And if you can lift up for me. Thank you. Alright, and we're gonna make sure your bed is still low. And make sure you're still at your lowest as well. I'm gonna go ahead and give you back that call light. Pull that curtain. Is there anything else that you may need?
No.
Alright, perfect. So I'll see you back in an hour or two.
Okay.
And washing my hands.